CD loading. I don't know if you guys have that problem too, but I just put in my first CD the other day, and that's what it does. I have been able to make it play once. Maybe I'll take this thing out and see if I can get that CD out, send it out to Chris White, get it unlocked. Alright boys, let's go for a test drive with this paddle kit. Got it from John Faust on the Caprice PPV forum on or Facebook group page, I guess is what you call it. Alright. Alright guys, I got this loosely mounted in here right now. I'll just go ahead and flip this on. It's on. Now we're in first gear. Wait for this light to turn. Downshift here. Should be second. Do another little downshift here. That's second going into first. Just want to go back to normal mode, take a switch, turn it off, and then it's shifting normal. Turn it back on, downshift, downshift again, maybe one more time. I'm not getting into it just because, you know, these are residential streets, but it functions just fine. Do you like to hear the burbles with the downshift? It's pretty fun, or not fun, but it sounds good. How about that? I don't know if this will pick it up. Does kind of suck when you're the first person at the light, We're at the stop sign, so you're halfway through the corner. You gotta be switching gears because of that short first gear. So if you can, get it rolling and then shift into second before you're halfway through the turn. Makes it a little easier. Alright boys, as you can see, it works just fine. Recommend it. Contact John Faust. Talk to you later.